When considering kitchen renovations, Kitchener-Waterloo, homeowners often find themselves pondering the best flooring options. In a region known for its diverse climate, making the right choice for your kitchen floor is crucial, not only for aesthetics, but also for durability and practicality. The flooring you select can significantly impact the overall look and feel of your kitchen, as well as its functionality and maintenance needs. In this article, we'll explore various flooring materials, from classic hardwood to modern tiles, and discuss their pros and cons, tailored to the unique needs of Kitchener-Waterloo residents. Whether you're dealing with fluctuating temperatures or simply want a stylish yet functional space, we've got insights that will help guide your decision-making process. We'll also touch on cost considerations, ease of installation, and how each flooring type stands up to the hustle and bustle of a busy household. If you're planning a kitchen renovation, understanding these elements will help you create a space that's both beautiful and practical, perfectly suited for life in Kitchener-Waterloo. Top durable flooring options for Kitchener-Waterloo kitchens. When considering kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo, selecting the right flooring is crucial due to the region's variable climate and the kitchen's high-traffic nature. Homeowners need a flooring solution that is not only stylish but also durable and able to withstand spills, stains, and temperature fluctuations. Popular choices include ceramic tile, vinyl, and engineered hardwood, each offering distinct advantages and trade-offs. Ceramic tile is a top contender for kitchen flooring due to its durability and water resistance, essential for the spills and humidity that kitchens often experience. With a wide range of designs and finishes available, ceramic tiles can mimic the appearance of natural stone or wood, providing aesthetic flexibility. However, they can be cold underfoot, which might be a consideration during Kitchener-Waterloo's chilly winters. Installing a radiant floor heating system beneath tiles can help mitigate this issue. Vinyl flooring is another excellent option for kitchens in Kitchener-Waterloo, offering both water resistance and comfort underfoot. Modern vinyl planks and tiles can replicate the look of more expensive materials like hardwood or stone at a fraction of the cost. It's also simple to maintain, making it ideal for busy households. However, vinyl can be susceptible to scratches, so investing in high-quality products and protective measures, such as felt pads under furniture, is wise. Consider radiant heating if choosing ceramic tiles to ensure warmth during the colder months. Opt for high-quality vinyl to reduce the risk of scratches and enhance longevity. If you prefer a natural look, explore engineered hardwood with a durable finish to balance aesthetics with practicality. Consult with local flooring experts in Kitchener-Waterloo for personalized advice based on your home's specific needs and conditions. Evaluate the ease of maintenance and cleaning for each flooring type to suit your lifestyle and kitchen use. Comparing flooring materials, what's best for your Kitchener kitchen? When planning kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo, selecting the right flooring is a crucial decision that can impact both the functionality and aesthetics of your space. The fluctuating climate in the region, with its humid summers and cold winters, means that the flooring material you choose should be durable, moisture-resistant, and easy to maintain. Popular options include tile, vinyl, hardwood, and laminate, each offering its own set of advantages and drawbacks. Tile flooring is a popular choice for kitchens due to its durability and water resistance, making it ideal for the often wet and messy kitchen environment. Porcelain and ceramic tiles are especially favored because they are easy to clean and come in a wide variety of styles and colors. However, tiles can be cold underfoot, which is something to consider during Kitchener's chilly winters. On the other hand, vinyl flooring has gained popularity for its affordability and resilience. Modern luxury vinyl options mimic the look of hardwood or stone, but come with added benefits of being softer and warmer. Hardwood flooring, while classic and beautiful, can be more susceptible to water damage, which requires careful consideration of your kitchen's layout and use. Consider using radiant floor heating under tiles to counteract the cold winter months. Opt for water-resistant finishes if you choose hardwood, or consider engineered hardwood for better moisture management. Choose neutral tones for vinyl and laminate to create a timeless look that can easily match various kitchen styles. Visit local showrooms to feel the texture and quality of materials firsthand, ensuring they meet your comfort and aesthetic needs. Consult with experts like Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys to help navigate the trade offs and select the best flooring that fits your lifestyle and budget. Eco friendly kitchen flooring choices in Kitchener Waterloo. Choosing eco friendly flooring options for your kitchen renovations in Kitchener Waterloo not only helps the environment, but also enhances the aesthetic and functional value of your home. With an increasing demand for sustainable living, homeowners have a variety of green flooring options that are both stylish and durable. From bamboo to reclaimed wood, these materials offer unique benefits while reducing your carbon footprint. Bamboo is a popular choice due to its rapid renewability and striking appearance. It's harder than most hardwoods, making it a durable option for busy kitchens. Furthermore, its natural resistance to moisture makes it suitable for the humid climate often experienced in the Kitchener-Waterloo area. Cork is another excellent eco-friendly material. Its soft, cushioned feel is perfect for those who spend a lot of time cooking or entertaining. Additionally, cork has natural antimicrobial properties, which can be a significant advantage in maintaining a hygienic kitchen environment. For homeowners looking to incorporate local elements into their kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo, reclaimed wood offers a unique and environmentally responsible choice. Sourced from old barns, factories, or warehouses in the region, reclaimed wood provides rich character and history to any kitchen. While it requires more maintenance than other materials, the charm and sustainability it offers can be well worth the effort. Consider sourcing materials locally to reduce transportation emissions and support local businesses in Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge. Look for flooring options with certifications such as FSC, Forest Stewardship Council, to ensure responsible sourcing. Evaluate the long-term maintenance needs of each flooring type to ensure it aligns with your lifestyle and budget. Consult with local experts to understand how different materials perform in the specific climate conditions of the Kitchener-Waterloo area. Explore finishes and sealants that are low in volatile organic compounds, VOCs, to maintain healthy indoor air quality. Budget-friendly kitchen flooring solutions in Kitchener-Waterloo. When considering kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo, finding cost-effective flooring solutions that don't compromise on style or durability is crucial. The local climate, with its cold winters and humid summers, demands flooring options that can withstand temperature fluctuations and moisture. Fortunately, there are several budget-friendly flooring materials available that are both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Vinyl flooring is an excellent choice for those looking to balance cost and functionality. Available in a variety of designs that mimic more expensive materials like hardwood or stone, vinyl is water-resistant and easy to maintain. This makes it particularly well-suited for busy kitchens that may experience spills or heavy foot traffic. Another advantage is its relatively simple installation process, which can often be a DIY project, saving on labor costs. Another affordable option is laminate flooring. Like vinyl, laminate can imitate the look of natural wood or tile at a fraction of the price. It is also durable and scratch-resistant, making it ideal for families or pet owners. While laminate is generally resistant to moisture, it is essential to ensure that any spills are cleaned promptly to prevent warping. This consideration is particularly relevant during the wet and snowy months typical of the Kitchener-Waterloo region. Consider luxury vinyl planks, LVP, for a more upscale appearance without the high cost. Look for flooring with a warranty, as this can add peace of mind and potential cost savings in the long run. Shop local retailers for seasonal sales or clearance items, which can significantly reduce costs. Check for eco-friendly options such as cork or bamboo, which are often competitively priced. Consult with local renovation experts to assess your specific needs and get personalized recommendations. Expert tips on maintaining kitchen floors in Kitchener-Waterloo. The climate in Kitchener-Waterloo is known for its seasonal extremes, which makes maintaining your kitchen floors a unique challenge. From hot, humid summers to cold, snowy winters, your flooring must withstand a variety of conditions. Choosing a durable material like tile or vinyl is a great start, but ongoing maintenance is key to preserving your floor's appearance and longevity. Regular cleaning and care can prevent common issues like warping, staining, and wear, ensuring your kitchen remains both beautiful and functional. For homeowners in the Kitchener-Waterloo region, one essential aspect of floor maintenance is adapting to seasonal changes. During the winter months, salt and moisture can be particularly harsh on floors. As you enter the warmer months, humidity can also affect certain materials, potentially leading to expansion or contraction. To combat these issues, it's important to follow specific care routines tailored to the local climate. By incorporating these practices into your regular cleaning schedule, you can prolong the life of your kitchen floors and keep them looking their best. Use rugs or mats at entry points to catch dirt and moisture before it reaches your floors, especially during the winter months. Invest in a dehumidifier for the summer to help control indoor humidity levels and prevent expansion or warping of wood-based flooring. Regularly sweep or vacuum to remove dirt and debris that can scratch the surface of your floors, particularly if you have tile or hardwood. Use floor-specific cleaning products that are suitable for the type of flooring you have to prevent damage and maintain a polished look. Consider applying a protective sealant to wood or tile floors to enhance their resistance to moisture and stains. Frequently asked questions. Q. What type of flooring is best for a high-traffic kitchen area? A. For high-traffic kitchens, durable options like ceramic tiles or luxury vinyl plank, LVP, are excellent choices. Ceramic tiles are resistant to scratches and moisture, while LVP offers a softer, more comfortable surface underfoot. Both are easy to clean and maintain, making them ideal for busy households in Kitchener-Waterloo, where the kitchen is a central gathering spot. Q. How does the local climate in Kitchener-Waterloo affect kitchen flooring choices? A. The climate in Kitchener-Waterloo, with its cold winters and humid summers, can impact flooring decisions. Engineered hardwood is a great option as it withstands temperature and humidity changes better than solid wood. Additionally, tile and LVP perform well in varying conditions, providing stability and durability. Ensuring proper installation with adequate underlayment can further enhance performance and longevity. Q. Is eco-friendly kitchen flooring available in Kitchener-Waterloo? Yes, eco-friendly flooring options are available, such as bamboo and cork. Both materials are sustainable and offer unique aesthetics. Bamboo is extremely hard and durable, while cork provides a softer, warm surface with natural sound absorption. These materials are gaining popularity among environmentally conscious homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo, seeking to reduce their carbon footprint without compromising on style or functionality. Ready to transform your kitchen with the ideal flooring option? Let the experts at Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys Kitchener-Waterloo guide you through your renovation journey. Our team is committed to delivering exceptional results tailored to your style and budget. Book a free estimate today or call us at 226-894-0234 for a personalized quote. Visit kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca for more information or check out our Google page for reviews and insights. Your dream kitchen awaits.